All right, guys, so I have not filmed a video in like almost 2 months. I have had so much going on in my personal life that I just couldn't even think about recording. And so it is 2 months later, and I have probably gained back maybe 4 to 5 pounds. What I've been noticing is with my going through my menopause stage right now, is that when I'm having my cycle, I don't struggle with my weight as much as the months when I'm not having it. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but it's been crazy. So I am going to do a 40-hour fast. So I'm taking you guys along with me. I just need to detox, and I figure fasting is like a perfect way to do that. So I'm taking you guys along to show you how I'm going to get through this 40-hour fast. I'm going to be keeping myself busy. I'm in the office today, so that's good. I'm going to go on a walk on my lunch, drink my water, maybe run some errands, just keep myself and my mind focused on just why I'm doing this. You know, even when I feel hungry, just to remember I'm detoxing. So without further ado, let's get on with this day. First things first, a black cup of coffee, so that way I can get through this crazy day in my office. It's super busy. I'm in staffing, and so I have clients on Mondays where they're calling, a temp didn't show up. There's all kinds of stuff going on. So I got a lot of drama to deal with at my desk, so I need some coffee. Going on my walk. Okay, I just left Target. I literally just went in there to get some makeup removing wipes, and that was it. So the key to fasting and getting through those hunger pains. First suggestion is when you start to feel hunger pains, drink water. That helps. Second, just remember it's going to go away. Here's the thing. I have noticed the hunger pains, they come in waves. Usually at certain times. So the first wave is usually when I've been fasting 12 hours. So because I ate last night at 6:30, when I got up this morning to get ready for work, I was already hungry. And then once I was up and going, I was fine. Now I am at, let me check my phone. Actually, I'm gonna put you guys down. Sorry, so I can check. Okay, now I'm at about 17 and a half, and the hunger pains are starting. So that's pretty common, if I remember correctly, because I haven't done ADF in a while. Around the 18-hour mark, I start to get hungry, which is usually when I stop fasting, because I usually do an 18-6 schedule, and so I'm always pretty hungry by the time I stop fasting. So I'm there right now. Glad I came to Target to distract myself. So I'm going to head back to the office. I'm going to do some walking because, again, I'm going to take my water, drink water, walk, so I can get my steps in, because my plan is when I leave the office at 4:30, I'm going to go home. I'm going to make dinner for my husband so that he has something to eat when he gets home, and that's going to be my lunch for tomorrow. And then I'm going to go ahead and do some video editing. So I have another YouTube channel where I do spooky, scary stuff. So like I'll review horror movies. I react to paranormal videos, things like that. So if that's something you're interested, check out that channel. I am going to be doing 31 Days of Halloween on that channel, where I'll be doing horror movie reviews from best movies to watch during Halloween, my favorite horror movies of all time, the scariest movies in my book. Let me see what else I'm going to do. I'm also going to do reviews through the century. So I'm going to do like the best 90s horror films, 2000, 2010, stuff like that. So I am starting those videos now because I want to batch them so I can upload them in October, because I'm gonna have a video going up every single day. So That's going to be crazy. But on this channel, since I am doing so much on that one, this one, I'm probably going to continue doing like ADF over the next couple weeks. So I'll show you guys more other things that I do. And then I'll probably do a day where you can see my eating days. So you can kind of see some of the things that I eat and watch me do some meal prepping. So that's what you can expect on this channel over the course of the next month. And then obviously taking you guys through, showing you my weight loss, things like that. So if there's anything you want to see specifically, let me know. But I think most of them will probably be either ADF or me cooking different meals. So I'm gonna head back to the office, go on my walk, and I will jump in and check in with you guys a bit later. Okay, so I just got home from the office. I'm gonna start cooking. I'm gonna make some steak and like grilled veggies and potatoes on the Blackstone for my husband. And I will not be eating, obviously, but I'm okay right now. I'm at the like 22, 23 hours, and so I'm not too hungry. Once I get to this point of the day, I'm usually fine because, you know, it's 5 o'clock at night. I'm gonna be busy around the house, cooking, editing videos, and then I'm gonna hit the sack. And when I wake up in the morning, we will be there. So yeah, I might get some workout in. I might do some more walking because I don't think I've hit my steps for the day. I have to actually check. But if I haven't hit my steps, I'll do some walking. I might even get on my bike. So I'm gonna do that and just keep myself busy so I don't think about food. That's the key. So obviously I will not be eating that today, but I don't recommend cooking when you're fasting because it's hard. But my husband works in the field all day long in the heat and long sleeves, so I'm doing this for him. Alright guys, I made it. I'm about 37 hours fasted. Typically I do 36. I was going to try to go for 40, but it's probably going to be longer because I'm going into the office and I have a client lunch at 12, and I was running crazy this morning. Even though I woke up super early, I just did a lot. I did yoga, I read my Bible, I did some work actually. Even though I'm going into the office, I had to do some things in the morning and fed my cats, just kind of took my time. But then towards the end, I started rushing, and so I wasn't able to pack myself anything for breakfast. And so I'm just having a cup of coffee, honestly. And I don't know if anybody has any snacks, I might munch on those, but otherwise I won't be eating dinner. Oh my gosh, I can't even think. That's what fasting does too. I'll be eating lunch and breaking my fast around 12 o'clock. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. As you can see, like, I just keep myself busy. I think that's key when you're fasting. Drink lots of water, keep yourself busy, find hobbies. You know, I love, again, I do videos, so I love editing. I love playing video games. I was gonna do that last night, but I was just tired. And I wanted to catch up on some horror films because I'm going to be reviewing horror films on my channel, my other channel. So I had a couple movies to catch up on last night, so that was good. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll be back for another video probably on Thursday. That's a day when I'm eating because I'll be fasting again tomorrow. So because today I'm super busy, I'm going to the office, client lunch, I'm not going to be able to really film what I'm eating on a full day of eating. So I'll probably do that on Thursday. So I will see you guys then.